Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 31 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper, and the question paper code is 30/5/3. Question 31 says a chord of a circle of radius 14 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the smaller sector and the perimeter of the smaller segment. Let's draw a rough sketch of a circle with center O. The chord AB subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. OA and OB are radii, so each measures 14 centimeter. Find the area of the smaller sector. That is, we have to get the area of this portion. The formula to get the area of the sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. The angle subtended is 60 degree. So 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. On evaluating this, we get 102.67 centimeter square. The next one is we have to find the perimeter of the smaller segment. This part is a smaller segment in this circle. To get the perimeter of this portion, we have to get the length of this chord AB and the length of the arc AB. To get the length of the chord AB, let's analyze this triangle OAB. In OAB, the angle subtended at the center is 60 degree, and OA, OB are the two sides of the triangle which are equal in length. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle. With that, if we calculate the base angles, that is the angle at A and angle at B, are also 60 degree each. Therefore, this triangle becomes an equilateral triangle, which means the length of AB is also 14 centimeter. Now we have to get the length of the arc AB. The length of arc AB is given by the formula theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22.7 into 14. On simplifying this, we get 44 upon 3. So the perimeter of the smaller segment is AB plus arc AB, which is 14 plus 44 upon 3. On taking the LCM, it becomes 86 upon 3, that is 28.67 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.